Hi, Alan Shimel, DevOps.com, here at IBM InterConnect, and I'm happy to have with us John LeFreniere,
LaFreniere, close.
LaFreniere of Hertz.
Yes.
John literally just walked off the stage for a leadership session where he spoke with Gene Kim, Angel Diaz, Topal from Capital One, and John spoke about Hertz's transformation as you are kind of moving this 100-year-old car rental company into a
Absolutely.
DevOps onto a DevOps road to
Absolutely.
stay with the car theme. John, why?
Well, I mean, as an industry, this industry, as the car rental industry, has evolved and continues to evolve, and when you evolve constantly, your platforms, your technology gets dated. You become very rooted in it, and things get to a point to where you've got to take the next step. You have to take a quantum leap. You have to pick a technology that you believe is going to be an endpoint, something that's going to be there and deliver the results you need and move towards it with passion. And
Mhm.
so Hertz has decided to do that. We're uh, removing multiple systems and replacing them with new and modernized systems. And so, at the end of the day, we'll shut down hundreds of systems and processes and changing business processes to align to new technologies. And the DevOps methodology, cloud technologies, IBM Bluemix, Cloud Foundry, it's all just right in lockstep with
With where
what
you
we
want to
need to
go.
go, that quantum leap.
Makes sense. So of course the devil's in the details, right?
Mhm.
And there's always those awkward teen years, right? As you're
Right.
making this transformation where you have one foot in legacy and one foot
Absolutely.
in the new. How do you maneuver that period of time where some people call it, I don't know if you've heard the term bimodal
Mhm.
IT or multi-speed
Right.
IT. Is that what you're looking at, sort of having parallel tracks or?
A little bit, but one of the ways that Hertz is addressing it is we've so committed to the transformation that we've literally bifurcated the organization almost to old and new, and aligned ourselves to that. And so, since our transformation philosophy is a clean sheet of paper, and that we're not basing anything off of our existing systems,
Right.
it's really stand up with a little bit of integration and
Got
and
it.
and, and moving over to new things versus this that we're avoiding some of the
Parallel
awkward, yeah,
universe stuff.
some of the awkward teen phase
Yeah.
by
So
simply
as one is
building out a fully formed adult and then
right, as
converting
one is
over.
stood up, the legacy is shut down.
Absolutely.
Excellent.
Absolutely.
John, one other kind of area I wanted to hit on with you, which is, all of the cloud and the Blue Mix and all of these tools are great, but as many in DevOps say, it's about the culture. How are you as a leader there helping to transform the culture of Hertz to adopt sort of agile and DevOps and continuous? It's a different mindset.
Mhm.
It's a different team set. How
Right.
are you doing that?
And it is a challenge. It is a challenge for us that it hurts. We're a very it's a the business IT relationship is very traditional. Change management processes, release management, very waterfall in the way that we do things. But what we're doing is we've taken some of the absolute required aspects of agile. Pulling the business people into the process for design, test, deploy, maybe letting them step out a little bit when the sausage making is
Mm,
happening, going a little bit more traditional waterfall, so there's a little bit more development in the background, if you will. But the test and iterate phase and all of those things, are there. And it's a tough journey. Our business leaders are very committed. They want to do it, but at the same time, when it's right there in front of them that they need to supply bodies for extended periods of time, to be a part of this IT effort. It's been a bit of an education process, but they see the value in it, and
they're
they're
accepting.
yeah, they're understanding that the old way of just throwing some requirements over the fence and hoping you get a good result, that's just not going to work with
Yeah.
where we're going.
Nothing succeeds like success.
There you go.
Absolutely. Well, John, thank you very much for appearing to our audience today on DevOps.com. continued success with your transformation at Hertz. We, happen to note you're in Florida in your
That's right.
Hertz's new world headquarters in
Come visit us.
Esoterra. It's only about an hour from my house,
There you go.
and maybe we'll come on the road and take a Hertz
Absolute,
road trip.
absolutely. It's a beautiful facility, very eco-friendly facility. It's a
We'll
shining
set
spot
it
in the
up, and maybe
neighborhood.
we can do kind of an in-depth sort of feature on it at
Sure.
DevOps.com. That would be great.
Excellent.
Anyway, this is Alan Shimel with DevOps.com. Thanks, and have a great day.